Welcome back. Today we're learning 20 English words beginning with the letter K and their Spanish translations. Let's go. Kangaroo, canguro, canguro. Kettle, hervidor, hervidor. Key, llave, llave. Keyboard, teclado, teclado. Kid, if it's a male, it's a niño, niño. Or if it's a female, niña, niña. Kind, amable, amable. King, rey, rey. Kingdom, reino, reino. Kiss, beso, beso. Kitchen, cocina, cocina. Kite, cometa, cometa. Kitten, gatito, gatito. Knife, cuchillo, cuchillo. Knight, as in Knights of the Round Table. Caballero, caballero. Knock, golpier, golpier. Known, conocido, conocido. Knot, as in tying a knot. Nudo, nudo. Koala, koala, koala. And finally for today, knee, as in people that have bad knees. Knee, rodilla, rodilla. Well, that's all the words for K for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Spanish A to Z vocabulary.